Made my mom the escaftin, spap, spinach, and meat. Good morning, guys. It's a Monday morning. My cousin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I woke up early because I wanted to do lunch for my mom. I was supposed to do lunch for her yesterday. We had like food, and then like it finished. Not entirely, but it wasn't something decent. It wasn't something decent that she can take to work. So I told her that I was gonna wake up with her and make her lunch. So that's what I did, as you guys saw in the first clip. It is a Monday morning. Plans was to go and have pap and mkhodu. You guys, I'm eating so much meat. Gout, please don't locate me. My aunt said she bought some alki, so we're gonna drink and chill and eat food from her house. However, a few months back, our toilet, like, you know, the bowl where the water sits. Yeah, I don't know what my mom was doing, and then she broke it. Like, she took out the lid thing. I don't know. I think she wanted to put that blue peel thing, right? So as she was putting it back, it slipped, and then it fell inside, and it broke the entire thing. So I think this happened last month, or if not late October. So it's been almost a month, if not a month, of like not having to flush the toilet in the house. Well, I didn't really experience it because I just literally just came on Friday. But I came like on the 15th or 14th of last month, and I stayed here for 2 days. So we were using buckets. Like when you're done using the toilet, we have a sink inside the toilet, just use the bucket, and that's how we flush. So we have like an uncle, a family friend uncle who's a plumber, but he has been so busy, and today's the only day that he said, hey, I'm actually around, let me go fix that thing, right? So my plans now to go to Soweto have been put on hold. So now I'm here because I need to help him on some Randy. I need this, Randy, I need that, Randy, I need this. So he just quickly went to his house now because he lives near to get some tools. So I'm gonna show you the toilet, and it smells like poop in the house because like he removed everything. Like he's gonna install a new toilet, so he removed the entire thing, and there's like bits and pieces of poop in the house. And I have to clean it when it's done. And we're not gonna have a toilet for the day. He said we're gonna use the toilet tomorrow because it needs to dry the sides and it's standing, right? Because you need to put like cement, but we call it sand. Yeah, the cement. You need to put the cement. And guys, I don't have a tripod anymore, so that's why I'm like this, and my phone is just like, I'm so sorry for that. I'm gonna try to buy a tripod. So I'm gonna show you the toilet now, and it's raining. You know that rain when you're like in the house, in the bed with your boo naked. It's raining. The fingers are going up, stretching things. Position. Boom. 9 months late. There's a anywho. Let me go show you the toilet. I'm just gonna chill here. My son also slept because he woke up. I'm gonna show you a clip. I just put him to sleep now. I know it's not common for Kosi to sleep at this hour, but he woke up. I woke up at, okay, I think my mom woke up at around 4:30, and I don't know what she was doing because she usually wakes up at like 5:45, but she woke up early. I don't know what she was doing. So as she woke up, with whatever she was doing, I then woke up because I said to her I was gonna cook for her. And then my son woke up. This is all before 5. And then I'm like, no, go back to bed. He's like, nah, fam. Since everybody's up, I'm up. So now he can't, like, his body's just like, why did you wake up at 4? So now he slept. So I'm alone. I'm gonna watch some Netflix. Oh, I really wish I was in cuddles at this time, hey? I decided to cook some red meat with rice. But we're gonna have this for lunch now, late lunch. We're gonna have some chicken. There's chicken in the house. Cooked chicken. This we're gonna have for dinner, and rice. Yeah, I need to ask my mom to bring some veggies because we ran out of veggies. Actually, I need to do shopping tomorrow. Some last minute grocery shopping. Last minute Christmas grocery shopping. I need to do that actually. I just remembered now. There's literally like, we don't have only Christmas. So I need to go get that tomorrow. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I still need to go to my aunt's place. Oh, so I have a busy schedule. How do I say it? I think it depends how you went to school. I say schedule. I have a busy day tomorrow. So I need to go to Soweto, and then I have to go to buy, because tomorrow is 24, ne? Or maybe I must go to the shops early to avoid traffic with people like doing last minute shopping. Just gonna get some veggies because the starches we have, and meat we have, obviously. And then yeah, like we have ultra melts. Guys, tonight we like so traditional with our Christmas, eh? We're gonna have Christmas, we're gonna have ultra mel with jelly. Okay, no, jelly no one eats anymore, but there's gonna be ultra mel. I know that for a fact. There's gonna be cake, there's gonna be ice cream, there's gonna be the cuckoo. I don't know why we do all of these things, but anyways, it makes my mom happy. Like I know for a fact, like I've seen it, like she becomes so, she's like, we're gonna bake me. And I'm like, this Christmas is literally just her and I and Kosi. I'm like, bruh, for what? She's like, no, you know, it's gonna make the baby happy. Baby, she's referring to me. I'm like, no, he's not even gonna eat it because there's Christmas biscuits. It's like, no, we must bake, you know. What will the child say? I'm like, you are making your inner child happy. You want all of these things for Christmas, but anyways, we're gonna bake. And then I'm talking too much, you know? I'll just show you guys what happens. But it's gonna be another vlog. This I'm ending tomorrow morning. Guys, I forgot to feed the dogs. And it's like 3 now, going to 4. I feel so bad. Oh my word. Let me do it now. Hi, crazy dogs. So this one is Juicy. I grew up with this one. That's the mother. We grew up with this one. This is the calm one. This is the crazy one. His name is Wanda. This one is Juicy and Wanda. As you can see, Wanda's a bit cuckoo, so I'm gonna remove this thing so that they can go eat. But Juicy will eat. Wanda will eat all the food, and then Juicy will have to take a step back. But Juicy, we are shy. Anyways, meet our family members. What did I tell you? Hi guys, again I'm back. Like in my house, in my place, guys, do you notice that there's like a empty TV stand drilled onto the wall? It belongs to that TV, but now my current TV is way bigger than that, so this one is here, but it doesn't work anymore, but it's just there for decorations. It's 4 o'clock now. It just reminded me how my brother and I would like be rushing right now to clean up the house because my mom is on her way from work. But says badala manje, I literally don't have anything to wear, guys. Like when I say I have nothing to wear, I kid you not. And also my mom took everything that I owned, like all my clothes, and put them in plastics. Like literally this woman, so right now I'm trying to like find clothes that I can wear, because I can't use the excuse of not wanting to buy. It looks like it's more of my mom's clothes than mine. Oh, I used to love this. Oh, it got to my head. I used to love this jacket. I'm gonna upload a picture of it, of me wearing it. Guys, I used to sell like thrifted clothes. Oh, I thought there's still a right in here. Anyways, things. Oh, guys, I used to love this dress. This is, I don't think I have a picture of it wearing it. Oh, man. 98. FYI, guys, like, fun fact, my mom, like, is a keeper of, she doesn't throw away things. You know, I used to drive for Bolt, right? And then this other lady, she bought this and another one. I don't know if I can find it. But I think I have a picture of my son and I wearing them. So she left this in the Uber, in the Bolt. I kept calling her and I called her and I called her. She wouldn't answer, right? Like after a week, and it was cold, it was winter days. I gave one to my son and I took one and we were rocking it, Papasio. Guys, this is my pullover from high school. Let me show you. I went to Ramfontein High School. That's how old I am. Matric 2024. What is it? Ropiwa. That's my first name. When I say I'm Ropiwa Murendenichelo, this is how you spell Ropiwa. Ropiwa Murendenichelo, Matric 2024. What was our song? Ramfontein. What? I don't remember our song. Who is it? Who's me? Yes, Kosi, how can I assist you? How can I assist you?
May I please have some milk?
One milk. Okay, I'm coming. You know, I literally feel like sometimes I sound so foreign when I speak like Tswana or Zulu. You got to remember Chivenda Chahash or Nitos. None of everyone has a good Chivenda and the Samba Chivenda. Nipa bana mafi ba hula ba bana muscles na the bones are strong. Nilicho fa bana savannah. And futhi ngiyanijaja, why are you making your children taste the savannah? Sis. Good morning, guys. It's a Tuesday morning. I just wanted to show you guys my neighborhood. I feel like some of you don't believe it when I say I'm from the farms. Yeah. I'm actually scared because it's like 5. People might steal me, but there's literally like no one. Literally no one. And you can hear the chickens. It's like 5:30, going to 5:30, I'm sure. I did dinner yesterday and my mom likes her food with morogo, and we do have a garden at the back, and I am thinking I should go just get like spinach or muchaina. I don't know what muchaina is in your language, but I'll show you, and cook it quickly so I can add to her lunch for work. Oh, the dog next door is making a noise. So this is some spinach. I think it's enough. I want to show you guys muchaina. So this is what we call muchaina. You see, it's similar to spinach, but not so. But yeah, it's morogo that we eat in Venda. Let's go cook this. I'm also gonna make her some oats. Like, I feel like my mom is an almond mom, low-key.